Today we're going to talk about the mini step lights. The mini step lights are available in 4 colors: black, bronze, nickel, and white, and 4 different distributions: the louver, the cutoff, the hood, and the marker. Today we're going to be installing a cutoff distribution in our stair riser and a hood in the wall. Let's open up the box and see what we get. So we get the entire fixture, which is composed of a faceplate and a light engine. So the light engine actually contains the LED and the driver. We're bringing line voltage right to this, and it is dimmable with a standard ELV style dimmer. But as you can see, my plate is oriented vertically and my box is oriented horizontally. So we're going to have to take care of that. Now this is a very simple job. All we need is a couple wire nuts, a number 1 Phillips screwdriver, and the little Allen wrench that's supplied with the fixture. First we're going to remove the plate. We just put that right in that little set screw and spin it around a few times. There we go. And as you can see, my little cube in the middle that actually shoots the light out is positioned horizontally, so I want to position that vertically. I'm going to do that by unfastening each of these Phillips screws and just rotating it. Screws have been extracted. All I need to do now is rotate that cube with the light engine on there and replace the screws. This particular job requires that the J-box be 2 1/4 inches deep. It's a little bit deeper than your standard 1.5 inch. The plate will cover that. We're going to fasten this right to the inside of the J-box, just as you might a dimmer or a switch or a receptacle, with the tabs that screw right into the tabs on the box. Okay, next I'll fasten my leads to the wires coming through the junction box. Of course, the silver one, bare one, is my ground, white neutral, and black hot, corresponding with my white, my black, and my green coming off of the power. So actually I have enough room here. I can set that down while I fasten my wire nuts. And it's always a good idea to have the correct size wire nuts so that way they don't pop out after you've screwed them down on your connections. This happens to be the perfect size. And lastly, my ground. Matching up my holes on the mounting plate to the little ears on the box. Next, I'll take the screws that are provided with my mini step light, drop them through those oval holes, and hand thread them through the ears on the box. This is just your standard 632 screw. Now the other side. And we'll put on the faceplate now. You can see there's a little ledge there, and that is going to catch right on that part of the mounting plate that sort of flips up there, turns up. There we go. I'm just going to tighten that little set screw on the opposite end. Here we go. So now that our horizontal installation of the cutoff is completed, we'll go to our vertical installation of the hood fixture. So our next installation is going to be the vertically mounted hood fixture to illuminate these bottom few stairs here. And of course, you'll get a little bit better mileage out of these if you make sure that you always illuminate the bottom few stairs and the top few stairs. I particularly like this hood because when you're walking up a steep staircase looking up, you're not looking up directly into the bright light. The hood really gives you great shielding from the LEDs. First thing we want to do is make sure that the power is disconnected. We've done that already, but in case you forgot, we'll remind you one more time. And I'm going to take that faceplate off of the mounting plate that has the light engine on it with my little supplied Allen wrench. And there you can see. Black to black, white to white, bare to green, and white to white. And bare to green for my ground. Okay, so my wire connections are completed. I'm going to tuck them gently into my extra deep junction box. This is a 2 1/4 inch deep junction box to accommodate the depth of the light engine that drives the LEDs. And I'm going to place that right over the tabs on that box. And insert those 6/32 screws provided. This fixture, by the way, uses only 3 watts, is dimmable with a dimmer for electronic low voltage, and we're now attached. Now we're ready to put the plate on. You can see it fits right on there. And the hood is the only one that actually has 2 Allen key screws on it. One on the top and one on the bottom. Okay, so just about a half a turn left there, and I can feel it tighten up. So there you have it, folks. We should probably go back, restore our power at the service panel to the particular circuit that we've been working on, and then we'll test them for you. All right, there we have it.